You've been sold a dream, haven't you? The dream of making money while you sleep. That fantasy of a 4-hour work week, sipping something cold on a beach while the money just rolls in. But the gurus selling you this dream are leaving out the most important part of the story. They conveniently forget to mention the years of upfront work, the failed attempts, the late nights, and the relentless effort it takes to build something that actually generates income passively. The only truly passive part is that the sales can be automated. They sell you the result, but they hide the recipe. And the truth is, that recipe is filled with good old-fashioned hard work. For every one person you see living that laptop lifestyle, there are thousands who tried and gave up because they were sold a lie. They were told it would be easy, fast, and require almost no effort. Well, in this video, we're ending the fantasy. We're going to debunk the biggest, most damaging passive income lies you've been told. And more importantly, I'm going to give you an honest, step-by-step framework for building a revenue stream that actually works, one that's built on reality, not on hype. The first and biggest lie is that passive income is 100% passive from day one. It's the set it and forget it delusion. The idea that you can build something once, an ebook, a course, a blog, and then you just walk away and collect checks for the rest of your life. That's just fundamentally wrong. The painful truth? A passive income stream isn't a vending machine you stock once and it spits out money forever. It's a garden. First, you have to do the back-breaking work of tilling the soil and planting the seeds. That's the upfront grind. But even after it starts to grow, you can't just ignore it. You have to water it, pull the weeds, and protect it from pests. That's the ongoing maintenance. Let's make this real. Got an affiliate marketing blog? You have to constantly update your content to keep it relevant, check for broken links, and find new ways to bring readers to your site. Created a digital course. You'll have customer service questions, you'll need to update the material when things change, and you'll have to keep marketing it so people actually know it exists. Even something like a rental property requires maintenance and dealing with tenants. What this all comes down to is front-loading the work. You put in a massive amount of effort at the beginning to build a system that eventually requires less ongoing effort to maintain. It's about decoupling your time from your income, not eliminating work entirely. The goal isn't to do nothing. The goal is to build an asset that works for you, even when you're not actively working on it. So your first actionable step is this. Stop looking for a hands-off opportunity. Start thinking about what kind of income-generating asset you're willing to build. Is it a content platform, a digital product, an investment portfolio? Decide what you're willing to work for. The next lie that trips people up is the idea that you need a huge pile of cash to even think about passive income. They hear investing and immediately picture needing tens of thousands of dollars to buy stocks or real estate. And sure, while those are valid paths, they are far from the only ones. This lie is dangerous because it makes people feel like the game is rigged against them before they even start. The truth is, you can invest one of two things: time or money. If you don't have a lot of money, you've got to be willing to invest a significant amount of your time. Many of the most successful online businesses were started with next to nothing. For example, creating a digital product like an ebook, a guide, or a set of templates can cost you nothing but the time it takes to create it. You can leverage skills you already have. Are you a wizard at organizing your life in Notion? You can create and sell Notion templates. Are you a great photographer? You can sell your photos on stock photography sites. Affiliate marketing can be started with a free social media account where you build an audience. A print-on-demand shop lets you design and sell products with zero starting cost for inventory. The beauty of most digital businesses is that the overhead is extremely low. So, a lack of money is not an excuse, it's a condition that just defines your strategy. You simply trade a financial investment for an investment of sweat equity. And in many ways, that's more valuable. You're not just building an income stream, you're building skills that will last a lifetime. Here's your next step. Stop asking, how much money do I need? And start asking, what skill can I learn or leverage? Identify one thing you're good at or knowledgeable about, and brainstorm one digital product or content idea you could create around it. That's your starting point. Oh, this one is everywhere. Gurus love to push affiliate marketing as the ultimate beginner-friendly, hands-off business. They make it sound like all you have to do is sign up for a program, spray your affiliate links all over the internet, and just wait for the commissions to flood your bank account. Not only is this a lie, it's a recipe for absolute failure. Here's the painful truth. Nobody is going to buy from a random link you spammed in a Facebook group or a YouTube comment. It just doesn't work. Real success in affiliate marketing has almost nothing to do with the links themselves. It has everything to do with trust. The real work is building an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. That audience could be on a blog, a YouTube channel, an email list, or a social media page. You spend months, sometimes years, consistently creating valuable, helpful content that solves problems for that audience before you ever earn a dime. You build a reputation as a trusted resource. The affiliate link is just the final step in making money. It's not the business itself. Affiliate marketing is not passive, especially at the start. It demands a long-term perspective and consistent effort. On average, it can take 6 to 12 months of dedicated work just to start seeing any real traction and earning your first meaningful income. And even then, you have to keep creating content to stay relevant and keep your audience engaged. So here's your actionable step for this one, and it's a reverse approach. Stop looking for products to promote. Instead, pick a niche you genuinely care about and commit to creating 10 pieces of high-quality, helpful content for that audience. 10 blog posts, 10 videos, 10 in-depth social media posts, whatever. Focus on giving value first. Only after you've started to build a small community should you even think about finding a product that can genuinely help them. If you're getting some serious value from this dose of reality, and you're officially done with the passive income lies, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It tells the algorithm that more people need to hear this truth, and I really want to hear from you. What's the worst, most ridiculous piece of passive income advice you've ever received? Drop it in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious and I read every single one. Okay, so we've debunked the lies. Now let's replace them with a realistic framework that actually works. Forget the shortcuts. This is the real path, and it has 4 steps. Step 1, choose your asset. Your goal is to build an income-generating asset. This will typically fall into one of 3 categories. First, content-based assets. Think of a blog or a YouTube channel that earns from ads and affiliate deals. Second, product-based assets, like a digital course, an ebook, or templates that you create once and sell over and over. And third, investment-based assets, like dividend-paying stocks or real estate investment trusts, which require capital instead of time. You need to choose the one that best fits your skills, interests, and resources. Step 2, the upfront grind. This is the part everyone wants to skip, and it's exactly why most people fail. This is the non-passive, active, grinding phase. This is you putting in the 50 to 100 hours to create a high-quality online course. This is you spending 6 to 12 months writing blog posts before you see any real traffic. This phase requires patience and persistence. You will be working for free for a while. You have to fall in love with the process of building, not just the dream of owning. Step 3, systemize and automate. This is where the passive magic starts to happen. Once your asset is built, you create systems to make it run without your constant input. If you have a digital product, you use platforms like Gumroad or Etsy that handle payment and delivery for you. If you have a blog, you set up an email autoresponder that nurtures new subscribers and promotes your products on autopilot. The upfront grind was building the golden goose. These systems are what allow it to lay eggs while you're doing other things. Step 4, maintain and optimize. Your garden is growing and your systems are running, but you can't just abandon it. This is the long-term reality of passive income. It's not a full-time job, but it's not zero work either. You'll need to periodically update your course content to keep it fresh, find new and better affiliate products to recommend, or analyze your data to see how you can improve conversions. This is the phase of small strategic check-ins that keep your income stream healthy and growing, instead of letting it wither and die. Let's be brutally honest with each other. The idea of passive income as a work-free path to wealth is a myth. It's a fantasy designed to sell you courses and software by preying on the very human desire for an easy life. But a life of financial freedom isn't built on easy. It's built on smart, hard, front-loaded work. Real passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making a strategic decision to invest your time or money into an asset that will pay you back for years to come. It's about building a business or an investment portfolio that doesn't require you to trade every single hour of your day for $1. That is real freedom. So stop chasing the fantasy. Stop looking for the shortcut that doesn't exist. Start building your reality, one brick at a time. The work you do today, the writing, the creating, the learning, is what buys you your time and your freedom tomorrow. If you're finally ready to stop dreaming and start building, Your very next step is to watch this video right here on the 5 realistic income streams you can start this year. And of course, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss your weekly dose of financial reality. It's time to build something real.